So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you something about electronics. This is the starting video. Just I post from some small video to show you the electronics robots. So in this video I will show you something about electronics. We are going to fix the ECU. I fix the IC in ECU and the electronic control unit of Nissan. Let's begin the video. This is the ECU, electronic control unit of Nissan Maxima 2004, 5, 6, all are same. So today we will fix and tell you how to fix the IC in ECU. This is the ECU and this is the location for the IC. This is the IC. You can easily get this IC from eBay or any websites. eBay mostly you can get it $5 when you search for the same part number. This is the IC and this is its location over here. Over here is the location, and this is the fault it is making. This IC it control the coils. You can see the coils, it is shorted. So this IC is a small and it controls big things. This is electronic. It's a small IC. When it is shorted, it short the coils, as I show you in the previous picture. So now we will tell you how to install this IC. How to install this IC. Now I'm opening the bolts from the computer to separate the electronic board from the aluminium sheets or aluminium sides borders. And this is one second, let me open this bolts, the screws. Okay, yeah, I have loosened the screws before just to show you guys how to remove the screws. I kept it for you guys. So we open this one, and yeah, this is the last screw. Okay, so this one we have to open here. Please guys, if you have any questions regarding this one, you can comment and ask me, or any queries about electronics or automation, please ask me in comments. I will be appreciating that comments. So guys, this is the location for this IC. This is the location, you guys can see. Yeah, this one. So first we will start to clean. We'll add some flux to this IC and start cleaning it. Yeah, this is the IC. You have to start from the pin number 1. We are adding flux. Okay, we add flux. Yeah, correct position. You have to be very careful because it is a very small connections, as I told you. Yeah, this is number 1. I think it will be not. Yeah, this is number 1. You can see it will start the number 1 from the upper right side. Number 1 pin, we count it like that, number 1. So we should place it correctly and very careful, because a small a little problem can burn everything. So Now we just give a heat because there was already flux on the connector of this IC. Now we give the heat and this flux and the winding, it catch them. Now this is the copper wire we want to clean with this copper. This is the way to clean. Just keep on the connections and give a heat. The extra windings will become on the coil wire, and we give more heat to make it strong. On another side we are working. So this is very easy to find this IC where it is located. The best way and the easy way is to check the continuity from the coil till computers, and from the coil till the ECU, then disconnect the ECU, and from the connector of which you got the continuity from in the car wiring, and from that connector till this ECU. So now it seems very good. This is the spray, we clean it, we carburetor spray or electronic cleaner. We use this mostly to clean the electronic parts. So now this is ready. We have installed the IC on ECU, and we need a little bit more cleaning. We see it, I think. Okay, let's clean a little bit more. We put the flux on copper wire. Now we keep the copper wire on it and give a little bit heat. So a little bit heat with the soldering iron. That side is a little bit cleaned. You guys can see how we are working. So you guys have any question regarding this one, you can ask me in comments, and I will be appreciating, and I will be replying you guys. Any type of information if you guys need, please let me know. I will be happy to help you. And thank you for watching my video, and subscribe my channel to see like this informative video, new videos. Thank you, see you in next video.